when you became sober and you touched the baby bump,
Yeah.
did you get any assistance with it? Did you go to any meetings or anything like that?
Do you want to hear a good yarn for your listeners, man?
Yeah.
I didn't
Yeah,
go to
go.
I didn't go to rehab.
Yep.
I didn't do anything like that, man.
Yeah.
It doesn't work, bro.
Yeah.
Because when you leave rehab and you leave prison, that's when the
Yep.
hard part.
Of course. That's okay.
Yeah, like I don't believe that doctors are there to help. I don't believe that rehabs work. And the
Yep.
reason I say that is just from percentages, man. And so what I did was Wanneroo is on one side of the river.
Yes.
I moved all the way down to the south side, man, like ages away. And yeah, just basically removed myself from all my surroundings, everything I knew to be truthful, so to speak. Do you know what I mean? Or what I saw
Yeah.
around as every day. I changed
Mm.
my environment, and yeah, me and my missus, like I said, she was pregnant, and then we went down there and got away for a little bit, and then yeah, we got another little house, and I got a job, and we just started networking and growing and building, man. And then I started, yeah, looking for work here, work there, and we ended up getting a little house together, which was a big thing for us too, man. It was like our
Yeah.
first house before the baby was born,
Amazing.
and
Yeah.
yeah, and then I got my license back, man. And then
Yes.
I did this all in the first 6 months of being clean without any rehab or any, like, nothing like that. And so
Yeah.
I don't think that the people that run the rehabs, I don't think they believe the people that leave are gonna be okay. I think they see them as dollar signs and a number to come back. And I believe that in their programs that there is an element of you can't live without us. So I didn't go
Yeah.
with any of it.
Look, I think that there's both, like, yes, there is a dollar sign to rehab. Yes,
Yep.
there are some genuinely caring souls that want the best for people,
I
but
probably
that's
shouldn't
life,
say
isn't
that.
it, as
Yeah.
well?
Yeah. Yeah. It is, man. Not everybody wants to see you succeed, do they?
No, no, exactly right. Exactly right.
Mm.
And so you're building through through the recovery tapes,
Yeah.
you're building a great sense of community of addicts in recovery,
Thank you.
which is a really beautiful thing.
I feel like if you've struggled from an addiction, right,
Yep.
and you've beat it, I'm not saying that you're stronger than the next person that you stand next to in the street,
Yes.
but to beat an addiction or, to overcome a trauma and be able to
Mm.
push through, it's nothing light. If you've beaten an addiction, start a business, have a
Yeah.
crack at something, you know what I mean? You are stronger than you think. And
Yes.
that's what the recovery tapes is about. It's about
Yeah.
hearing people's stories so that other addicts can listen to my podcast, and then they
Mhm.
can, without anybody actually going, you need to do this, they can hear
Yes.
someone else's story and they can draw strength from it, and they can
Yep.
make a decision, and no one's telling them they're right or wrong if they do or don't. And that's what the
Yes.
recovery tapes is about, man.
That's beautiful, man.